Hi guys, I'm Igor. For the new viewers, I provide market commentary before market opens and my stock picks and option picks for the day. Don't forget to subscribe for my channel and click the like button. Today is January 7th, 2020, and here's what's happening. Not much is going on, and except for the fact that we're still the news outlets are still going over the recent killing of the top Iranian commander. I don't know if I can pronounce his name, Qassem Soleimani, I think. I believe there was a funeral near Tehran recently, and there was a stampede, a sad event, killed 35 people there. So Iranians are yelling and screaming about retaliation, and this may happen, but I kind of doubt that the major retaliation will happen, except for like maybe a cyber attack or something like that. So market shrugged off this news, and futures are higher. Oil is a little bit lower, but oil is a little lower because it's been on a huge run recently, and it may come down a little bit before going higher again. I mean, overall, I think oil may go to $75, but it may have a pullback in the near future. So the first stock I'd like to show you is actually USO, which represents West Texas Intermediate Oil. It's actually WCO oil. And as you can see, the RSI is a little bit high right now, so it may stall a little bit at these levels before going higher, and I do believe it will go higher. Okay, so another actually major index I'd like to show you is GLD, which is ETF for gold futures. And I mean, if you turn on CNBC or Bloomberg, everybody is screaming and yelling to buy gold, but gold is also a little bit overbought here. As you can see, it's pushing like RSI is about like 85. So I don't know if I would be buying gold here. So in other stocks that I will be watching is of course Boeing. They said that they settled with a number of airlines regarding no deliveries for Boeing for 737 Max. And the one airline they just settled yesterday, I believe it was American Airlines. As you can see, American Airlines, maybe it could go up on the news, maybe not, but as you can see, there's a sell signal here. So I'm not sure about the American Airlines at this point, but Boeing may be looking good at this point. As you can see, the MACD crosses here, and it's been trading in the same range, not moving much. Triple bottom here at 220, 222, 320, 322. So this Boeing could be an interesting pickup here, as it's very low at this point. Okay, a bunch of stocks that I'm looking at are the home builders, like Lennar, for example. Lennar is going to report tomorrow. Be very careful with this, but I like the setup for the stock, especially considering the recent Wedbush note on home builders, and they're recommending buying home builders actually before reports. So I will be interested to pick up some Lennar, maybe some BZH, symbol BZH, that's called Beazer Homes. And also I will be interested in TMHC. Okay, it's Taylor Morrison Homes. So they're all looking pretty good, as well as TOL. It's a luxury home builder. They're all looking pretty good on the chart, and I think the recent shortage of the homes and warm weather, low rates, low unemployment, that could work out really well for home builders. So I will be looking to pick up some of those stocks. So another group that I'm looking at is the tech group, especially. Of course, Tesla is in the news. That they said that they will be doing deliveries, first deliveries to customer homes in China. And I've heard that Musk was dancing in his Shanghai factory in celebration. So Tesla is as usual in the news and higher, but also is pushing. I mean, it's pushing the RSI level is overbought, but for Tesla, there is no stopping Tesla basically. So ride the wave as you can, because it's going higher. It's going higher. I mean, there are some small pullbacks that immediately bought, and it looks like it's going to $500 long term. Okay, another stock that I'm looking at is AMD. AMD just introduced their new chip. New desktop chip, super fast chip. It's also sitting in overbought territory, but I think it's going to go higher again today. So will be interesting to watch this. I like actually Intel, because Intel just had a peek at their Tiger line new chips, and it should be trading up today as well. So, and it's in the uptrend channel here. And the last stock that I'm looking today is Akamai. Akamai is the networking company. The chart looks really good. I think it was upgraded this morning, and I think it could be an interesting pickup here. So that's it. That's the wrap for the day. And again, don't forget to sign up for my channel and click the like button, and I'll see you tomorrow.